those who managed to survive, their lives grotesquely distorted, were left to suffer serious physical and emotional after effects, compounded by discrimination and prejudice. Children stole or fought routinely to survive. A young boy rendered an A-bomb orphan still lives alone. A wife was divorced when her exposure was discovered. The suffering continues.
Madotekuli, this is the heartbroken cry of Hibakusha who want Hiroshima, their hometown, their families, their own minds and bodies put back the way it was.
100 years after opening as the Hiroshima Prefectural Commercial Exhibition Hall, and 70 years after the atomic bombing, the A-bomb dome still watches over Hiroshima. In front of this witness to history, I want us all, once again, to face squarely what the A-bomb did and embrace fully the spirit of the Hibakusha. As long as nuclear weapons exist, anyone could become a Hibakusha at any time. If that happens, the damage will reach indiscriminately beyond national borders. People of the world, please listen carefully to the words of the Hibakusha and profoundly accept the spirit of Hiroshima. Contemplate the nuclear problem as your own.
A woman who was 16 at the time appeals. Expanding ever wider the circle of harmony that includes your family, friends, and neighbors links directly to world peace. Empathy, kindness, solidarity, these are not just intellectual concepts. We have to feel them in our bones.